Hey guys, it's Food Thursday and it's me CJ, so welcome back. And today we are going to be making just a simple fried eggs. So we're going to start off by turning our stove on to 4, just under medium heat. And we're going to be adding a little bit, a bit of butter. And this will take a second to heat up. So, how's your day been? Let me know in the comments. I can heat this up to medium, I think. Melt the butter a little quicker. Butter goes pretty quick once it gets hot. I love fried eggs. What's your guys' favorite way to make your eggs? Fried's probably my favorite. Okay, so now that that's almost melted, we're going to crack our eggs. One and 2. I might fast forward part of this. Not sure yet. Okay, so now that we got our eggs in there, we're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. It seriously makes it taste a lot better if you add salt and pepper right in the fry pan. Just a little, not a lot. And I'm going to go over to the sink, don't mind the mess. Get a little bit of water on the spoon. Just add a little bit of water. And put a lid on top, and you're going to let this go for a few minutes until the egg whites start kind of coming up and covering the yolks over. So that should take maybe 2-3 minutes at most. I'm also making toast with this. And just put the toast down. Yep. So if you like to make fried eggs your own way or a different way, just, let me know how you like it. This is your world. No, I'm not Bob Ross. I'm going to put away the butter.
Don't forget to clean up.
Don't forget to clean up. I should probably grab some plates.
And just put the toast down. Yep. So if you like to make fried eggs your own way.
That's a good idea. Set it right next. Yeah, that'll be done soon. Okay. So you see how that's coming along? That'll be done probably in another couple minutes. Another 2 minutes probably. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit. Pretty simple. Just a quick, easy breakfast. And if you can see the clock there, I'm not sure if you can, but it's 11:30. Had to do some stuff this morning. So, late breakfast. Yeah, this will be done soon.
Oh, toast is done.
So it kind of steams your eggs too at the same time. Okay, so you see this, when this Okay, so you see this, when this starts happening, you'll want to turn your heat off, take your lid off, transfer it over to your sink, cool it down, a little cold water. And your egg should be kind of looking like this. Nice, delicious fried eggs. Mm-mm-mm. I'll cut these with my spatula.
Well, finish working off the heat.